Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL Idol 5, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from SIM to your device. So to get started, open up your dialer app, and from here you can navigate to the contacts right here and tap on that three buttons or three dots, and you will see the import export option. So select that, and from here copy contacts from, so from Virgin Mobile, which is the SIM card, as you can see by the icon. For you, it's probably going to be something else depending what country you're in and who's your provider. You want to tap on next, and then copy contacts too. So you have a couple options. You can copy them to your phone, phone storage, or SD card. And I assume if you'd be logged into Google, it would also give you a Google option, but I'm not, so it's not here. So I want to copy them to my phone, so that's what I'm going to select. Let's tap on next. And then you have the contacts right here, so you want to select which ones you want. You can select all of them by tapping this box right here, and once you have them selected, tap on the check mark next to it, copy selected contact. Yep, it will have a progress, and import finish, and we're done. So now we basically have double amount of contacts because it's still showing the contacts that are on the SIM card plus the ones that are on the phone. And you can see that by this icon, kind of an icon, where you have a little image of some kind of like figure. You have also a 1, and that's basically an icon of a SIM card and the position of it. So all those with that icon are located on the SIM card, while the ones that, for instance, just show the letter of the contact name are the ones that are on your device. But this is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.